Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back everybody. Welcome back to the Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now, I heard Kotoko have decided to sign a new coach, and he's called Mariano Baretto. To be honest, I know nothing about this coach. I just heard that he coached the Black Stars and he coached other teams, and I don't know his style of play. I don't know how he plays. I don't know how he lines up his team. But reports are stating that he is going to be the next Kotoko coach. Personally, we need a new coach. We need a good coach, and now they have brought a Portuguese coach. I don't know how things will work out, but I just pray that we play exciting, attacking and tantalizing football under him, because we are tired of playing football and we're like, we don't even have a style of play, we don't even have a plan, we don't make good subs. We just need a new coach that can take this club to the next level. You know, sometimes you say a coach is building something and we should give him time. Now, if he comes and shows a glimpse of quality, definitely fans will give him time. I know some people have been asking me, if they signed a new coach, will you give him time? You know, before they give you time, you have to show a glimpse that this is what I'm capable of. If you show that this is what you're capable of, definitely they will give you time to perfect your plan you've brought to the club. But if you come and we find out that you have no plan, you have no style of play, and there's no improvement in the team or the squad, there is no way on earth any club will give you time or chance to continue at the club, because they'll feel that the more time they give you, the more opportunity you have to destroy the team and the club overall. So if Mariano Baretto, that's if reports are true that he's coming to Kotoko, if he's coming, it means that we have to carefully allow him to work, and we'll give him time to see how he has improved the team, and then we judge. Let's say 2-3 months, we give him time to see how he has influenced the team, if there's a new style, if there's a new pattern of football, if there's actually a new if there's an improvement in the team, before we decide, okay, he tried, let's give him time. Because if he doesn't do that, there is no way on earth that we are going to give him time. So I'm hoping he comes and change our style of play, make it exciting and attractive to watch, because we need fans to enjoy the game. We need a coach that will come and transform our team to an extraordinary team. I heard he's coming with his own assistant coach and his physical trainer, and he wants everything to change when he comes. So if he comes, I want the club, the management, the board to back him up and give him what he wants to transform our big club to the best in Ghana and also compete in Africa. So I think that is what I have to say about Mariano Baretto to Kotoko. I'd like to know your thoughts. Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. So if you haven't subscribed, do it right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.